Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the About phone. Now let's scroll and tap on Backup and Restore, and in this Google backup we have to open the backup. Tap on Next. Of course, if you've got your Google account added, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So now let's either create the account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can learn them you can read them and then tap on I agree after. And here the backup section, where you can decide what kind of data you want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, or both, it's up to you. I will just mark this option, tap on Confirm and tap on Manage Backup. And as you can see here, we've got the backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some unnecessary charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.